question comes from 24order.com. And the question is as follows. State Secretary Van Huffelen is aware of the financial burden put specifically on the elderly that live on a bare-bone minimum pension plan. Aruba has passed several financial measures imposed by the Netherlands. Our community sees price increments everywhere. How can the Netherlands help the Aruba government give our elderly some breathing space financially?
Well, thank you very much. The whole goal behind the agreements that we have made yesterday and today, and agreed upon today, is to improve the lives of everyone living on the Caribbean islands. Because we are talking, and also this has been put in our statement, about the resilience and sustainability of our islands, to make sure that the economies are growing, that we work on improving healthcare and education and all these topics. And the idea is that we're going to work on that together. Of course, the very direct consequences or financial consequences are the responsibilities of the islands and the countries, but the basis behind what we are aiming for is to work together to improve the lives of everyone. And this is a goal that I am also very committed to, the Netherlands is very committed to, because we truly believe that together we can be stronger in these fields and aspects.
If I may add, thank you, Alexandra, for those words. I would like to say that especially the elderly have been a special focus of attention, and just now, the 1st of January of this year, we have introduced some measures that alleviate the burden that they experience. We have reduced the tax burden for pensionados, as we call them. The tax burden has been reduced for everybody earning an income or pension with 2%. Married couples that receive pensions, the tax burden has been lowered and reduced as well. We have increased the allowance, the reparation allowance for pensionados, and the old age pension has been increased. So we are aware that the cost of living is growing in Aruba. It is an area of concern for the government, but we're working on it as well.